ASUS is all set to unleash the ROG Phone 9 series this November, and trust me, this one's going to shake things up in a big way. Both the ROG Phone 9 and 9 Pro models are rolling out, and this year, ASUS is adding some exciting twists. The big one? The Anime Vision display, usually a Pro-only feature, is making its way onto the standard ROG Phone 9. So, if you love that customizable light-up panel on the back that shows off exclusive animations, now you don't have to go Pro to get it. But that's just the start. ASUS has been teasing some high-powered specs that'll have any gamer's heart racing. It is rumored to pack Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, plus some smart AI photo features and a nostalgic retro gaming mode that promises a throwback vibe. And from leaked details, it's looking like we'll see a 6.7 8-inch FHD Plus Samsung AMOLED display with a buttery-smooth 185Hz refresh rate. Imagine those graphics on a screen like that, powering it all, up to 24 gigs of LPDDR, 5X RAM, and a jaw-dropping 1 TB of storage, so you'll have room for all your games and media without even thinking twice. The camera setup includes a solid 50-megapixel main camera and a 32-megapixel selfie cam, and with a 5,800 mAh battery that charges at 65 watt, you won't have to worry about running out of juice in the middle of a boss fight. Plus, it's got IP68 water and dust resistance, so it's built to handle whatever life throws at it. So mark your calendar for November 19th. If you're as hyped as we are, keep an eye out. ASUS might just reveal more features before then, and we'll be here to cover it all. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a beat on the ROG Phone 9 series.